Hi everyone, this is Deegs, and I'm here to talk about the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Although the phone may appear aesthetically similar to its predecessor, there are two key upgrades to its performance: the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip and the cameras. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip, customized for Samsung phones, has excellent CPU and GPU performance as well as efficiency. This results in impressive battery life, and the removal of the Exynos version means everyone benefits from Qualcomm's performance advantages. The battery life of the phone is exceptional, with a 5000 mAh that can last 2 full days and a 45-watt charging that can charge the phone in an hour, plus wireless charging. The camera features a new 200-megapixel primary camera with double the optical image stabilization range and new sensors across the ultra-wide, 3x telephoto, and 10x periscope cameras. This increased stability allows for sharper photos with longer shutter speeds, even in low light. Overall, the camera offers improved detail, especially the primary camera, and deserves more attention in phone reviews. Additionally, the video on this phone is also better thanks to better processing, new sensors, and improved stabilization due to beta WA. Although the Galaxy S23 Ultra may not appear to be a significant improvement from its predecessor, it is in fact a substantial upgrade, especially in terms of battery life and camera performance.
Everyone keeps asking.
Mia, can you send me that?
Send me that.
Can you send me that?
Not making this up.
Hey, can you send me that?
Everyone.
Sure.